Hello, and thank you for stopping by. Today I'm installing the two batteries on this John Deere backhoe, and I'm going to give you a couple of tips on what I found out from the last time I had to put these batteries in. You're going to need your battery, a brush to clean the post. If you have some dielectric grease, some Vaseline, or something to put on these posts. This tractor's left outside in the weather, had nothing on it before, and these were pretty corroded the first time I cleaned them up. Now, after the first time I cleaned these up and I went to reinstall them, I ran into a couple of problems, and that's why I'm making this video to give you a couple of tips here. For one, I found it very difficult to tighten up the end of these battery cables. So we're going to have a tip for that. And also, the space provided for the batteries. This looks like it was a long battery in here at one time. These batteries are definitely not the batteries that are sized for the space. They fit, but they're real snug. I had some issue getting these out the first time and the second time. So this time, what I'm going to do, and help remove the battery, the next time I take it out, I'm going to use this old belt. I also have a deck belt from a lawn tractor. You could use ratchet straps if you have a broken set of ratchet straps, anything that could go under there. And as far as the loose terminal ends, this is a piece of copper pipe. I cleaned that pipe up and I made shims. Now, you could use it in this fashion. You can actually use a piece of copper pipe that you can split and fit over it, but I don't have to take up that much space. And in the description below, I have a link to Amazon where you can actually buy caps that fit over these terminals to pick up that space. But again, I didn't need that much space taken up. I got to put this together and show you it after the install. All right, I have it installed. On this terminal, I didn't need any shim, but this one over here was very loose. I did have to open it up a little bit to get that shim in, and I have the belt in here and on that side. So the next time I have to pull this battery out, I just have to pull on these belts. Now, they do make a belt to pull these batteries where it connects to the terminals and you pull straight up that way, but we all have an old belt laying around or a strap from a weed whacker. This would work great under there also. Cut the ends off, put it underneath, and on that side over there I had to use two shims. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, and I have that deck belt underneath it. I doubled it up so the battery's even, so the battery doesn't tilt one side or the other. Although as tight as this is, I don't think it would tilt anyway. Well, that's it. If you have any questions or comments, post them down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. It does help. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Hit that Joe Z icon. And until next time, safe digging.